CE plus CE is not is not CE. That is also a great misunderstanding or misconception. It's of course, I mean, when you build a machine or a product and use these components that are all CE marked, it's a great benefit because you know that these are actually compliant, or should be at least. But the thing is that a product can be CE marked for use in an entirely different aspect than what you're intending to use it. One example is that when you use, for instance, the Raspberry Pi, which is open source electronic unit that you can buy and program it very easy, which is fit for use in an office environment like this. And then you use this product and place it on the mobile machinery like an excavator or whatnot, and create something something that does something on that machine. Is not intended in that environment. So it's not. That is a typical example where this is just not true. So yes, it's good to use CE mark components to build your end product. But nevertheless, you need to take responsibility of the new product that you put on the market, and yeah, that could involve, you know, EMC testing or whatnot. But it again, it depends on what product you're building, what environment you're putting it in, and so on.